Welcome back to For Hire Garage, where we bring the meat to mediocrity and the more to moron. We are okay-ish. So what are we doing this time around? If you remember, we still have this totaled running and driving XJ that got kissed on the rear passenger corner. Ugh. Squish. And now we've got a non-running XJ that it's the red XJ's drivetrain's going to go in to this one. I've got a 15-year-old that's going to be driving soon, and they absolutely love our other XJ. I picked this up for $500, and the guy charged me an extra $100 to have it hauled back here because I don't have a trailer. So let's take a look. It's about what you'd expect for $500. Pretty dirty. They clearly wanted their stereo. Maybe I can scrounge up a cleaner seat. Oh. Back seat's got a cover on it. There's the front grille, top plate to the radiator. There's the center console, not center console, but the center cover where around the stereo and stuff. Spare tire. Oh yeah, headliner needs it bad. Needs a new visor. Oh, of course the hatch shocks don't work, and they made this XJ hatch heavy as hell. Radiator, lots of those parts, bunch of bags. So oh snap, I think it's got all the spare parts stuff, or the spare tire stuff. That'll be nice. Not much to see over here. Oh. We're going to remove this trim. If it was in good shape, it'd stay, but it's not. The driver door has that worn out hinge, and it doesn't have the thing that holds it open. That's missing, so might need some new hinges. No idea if any of the stuff works. It does have the key though, so that's really nice. What is this? A dead Hornet. Yeah, I'm guessing it's got 200,000 miles on it. Oh boy, shells. Cool. And some loose power wire. Yeah, you know, I'd expect it. Oh no. Oh no. There's a whole bunch of twist wire home. That was probably what was holding their stereo together. Oh. So, but no evidence of rat turds. That was one of my bigger concerns. Was rat poop. Oh, that's okay. Alright, let's pop the hood. And as we can see, they took out a lot of stuff. So, but fortunately, every last piece I've got on that other one. So, it'll work great. Giant mud dauber nest. Get rid of that guy. I have to sort out the wiring situation. That's all the injectors. See what kind of... Oh, I already know it's got little to no oil. Yep, bone dry. Let's see what the transmission looks like. Oh, transmission's got plenty. It looks bright red. Nice. Here's the big concerning thing. Let me snag this onto something. There we go. Yeah, so that's the oil pan. So that is some seepage. There has been some long leaking oil coming out of this thing. I don't know from where. I assume maybe a valve cover, because it's got one of those plugs. I don't know if it's coming through on the camera. See back in there, it's got one of those. Oh, all of them are that. Hello, temporary freeze plug where you just screw in the thing and and hold it. Honestly, I'm just poking around, seeing if I can see a piston rod sticking out the side. All right, so no starter. Starter has been pulled from this guy, and they used Fram filters, unfortunately. Yeah, so this motor's completely junk. Transmission, I don't know. Transmission might still be good. This might be the other end of that wire. It's probably stereo related. This is kind of open. Everything's kind of there, except for that relay. Okay. Another mud dauber nest. Make sure that's closed down just fine. Confuser is still there. We're good there. Just now noticed these fluids back here. All right. Oh. I had a coolant leak. So, oh, look at that guy just hanging out on the wire. Woo. Gonna find a bunch of that. So I forgot to point it out when we were looking on the inside. It is a two-wheel drive Jeep, and I could just throw the motor out of that other Jeep into this Jeep. I was lucky enough that the total Jeep is a 1999 Jeep, and this Jeep is a 1999 Jeep, so they're very compatible, clearly. So what I don't know is how badly is the wiring harness damaged and all that kind of stuff. I thought about just get it running, just get the motor in, clean everything up, get it running, and then do the four-wheel drive conversion later. I haven't even really looked into that, but that's where I'm leaning. we'll kind of see. I might get into it and realize, you know what, the wiring harness is jacked and I just need to go all out and just do everything right now and be done with it. So if you're into this kind of stuff, then hit that subscribe button, because I'm not a real YouTuber. I got a job. This is just for fun, and I don't know when the next video is going to come out. It's not like a weekly thing or anything. So if you subscribe, then you'll be able to see when a video comes out, when you just look at all the stuff that you subscribe to. Otherwise, the littlest thing you can do is hit that like button, and thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. Catch you in the next one.